Welcome back once again. Now let us continue. This time we are going to look at shipping. So click here, shipping. Good. So we are going to add shipping, and then okay, so in case I don't know why we have these settings here. I don't know if we have already covered that in our videos. Okay, but well, I don't understand. I don't know why we have it here, but all the same, let me delete it and cover that. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, so by default you only see this. So we have to add a shipping zone. Okay, we have to add a shipping zone. So this is what I'm going to do. I will click here. Oh, space. Why? Okay, first let me. Okay, it's working now. So where you as a shop owner, you need to have a shipping zones. Okay, if you're going to sell to people in your country, then you have to have your shipping zone, or you can have one shipping zone. It can be different shipping zones. Okay, you can have one at Accra, you can have one at Kumasi, or you can have some at Tamale. Okay, so that, or you can have a shipping zone in all the all the regions. Okay, or cities. So this is what you are going to do. You will ship the product to your shipping zone. Okay, so if the customer want to pick up the product, because we are going to have pickup whereby the customer have to go to the shipping zone and pick up the products. Okay, good. Or we can deliver to doorstep, whereby the customer will wait for us to bring the product, and that is, the price is different. Okay, good. So we will look at the two options. Or since this is just a local business, a small business, we can do it in this way. In Ghana here, for instance, we normally give product to that is bus, train, that is bus. We normally take them to bus station, then we give it to the drivers, and the drivers will take you to their destination. Then the person will then go and meet the driver and take it. Okay, this is the local way of doing it here in Ghana, but for the big companies you have to create shipping zones. Okay, good. So right now I will just add only one shipping zone, and that is I can make it Kumasi. Sorry, Kumasi. So I'll have a shipping zone at Kumasi. It says okay, zone region, so I can make it Ghana, or I can just give a name of the shipping zone. Okay, so that is let's say that is my shipping zone, faster zone. Okay, I have just given a name to my shipping zone. Okay, good. That's the name of my shipping zone, and let me move. Okay, remove that. Okay, so this is the name of my shipping zone, and the location is in Ghana. I can enter Ghana, and then Ghana, which is Ashanti region, is in Ashanti region. Okay, it's located in Ashanti region. That's the zone where the zone is. Okay, then I can add the shipping method. What are shipping method? I can just make it free or flat rate. Okay, good. So let's make it a free. So with the free one, free has been selected. Let's click continue. Okay, so what is the requirements? Free shipping requirements, coupon, minimum amount, we can make it a minimum order amount or coupon, minimum order amount and a coupon. Okay, so we will take it as minimum amount, minimum order amount. Okay, so which means that we are going to set a certain amount. So when the person after adding the product to the cart, if it reaches that total amount, it means that it will be delivered to the person without Jumia. When you go to Jumia shop, they have a certain amount when you buy that's the total cost of the item that you have added to your cart is up to that amount, then you get a free shipping. Okay, the Jumia is a company, it's in Ghana here, I don't know, I think it's in most of the African countries. So we can make it about 500. So if someone add a product up to 500, then the person will get a free shipping. So we will not apply minimum order rule before a coupon discount. Okay, we will include that in case we are going to use a coupon. We have to do that, create it. So now this is the condition for free shipping. Okay, now let's add another shipping method. You can make it a pickup location. Okay, local pickup, so we can select that. So with a pickup location, you can set we have to enable that. And title, we can make it local pickup. Okay, so that is local, just pickup. The title pickup is okay. Okay, so let's look at those who come to the pickup location. What will be the price? So we want to make it free. Okay, we want to make it free. Okay, so if you want to make it free, don't leave it. Okay, are we going to tax them? Yes, we will tax them. Okay, and so let's add the locations. Okay, various locations. So we have only one pickup. Okay, so the location, we have location name. So we are going to give the names of our pickup locations. Okay, so that people will be coming there to pick the product. So we have Bantima, so we have, and then address, we can give the address, let's say opposite okay, so something like opposite GCB bank. Okay, and then that is city. City is Bantima. Okay, zip code, let's put 00233. Ghana Ashanti. Description, we can details, so we can say that come along with ID, something like that. Okay, save. So we have added a pickup location. So we have added a pickup location. We can add more. Okay, let's say we have one at Accra, so we can say Accra, okay, Accra, Ghana. Okay, and the location, I don't know, close to or near GN Bank. Okay, so let's make it Accra, and then the zip code, I can 00233. We can also add the same statement, come along with your ID. Then we can save that. So now we have 2 pickup locations. You can add as many as you can. Okay, so let me close that. So, and that is free pickup location because the person is coming to your office to pick it. Are you going to charge the person for that? Okay, that depends on you. So just look at how you want to go about it. Okay, so for me, I just want to pick it 0. Okay, or you can charge the person about 5 cedis. Oh, I want to make it 0. Let me save that. Okay, so I'm done with a pickup location. So let's go to shipping zone again, or settings. No, not here. So shipping zone. Okay, so this is for clothing. Okay, this is for clothing. So that's why we are not going by the weight and the size and the rest. Okay, so here we have free shipping. Then we also have pickup location. Okay, good. And then the free shipping is whereby the person will buy product as up to a certain amount. Okay, we can also add a class, shipping class, but this time this is just an e-commerce shop. These products are not all that heavy. Okay, but if it is a shop whereby we have something like television, refrigerator, and other big washing machine, you see such products. If for instance I'm at Accra, I want to buy the shop is in Kumasi, or if I buy something and I'm in Accra, if you are shipping a television, or let's say a refrigerator to me, okay, and the rate is, let's say you have a flat rate of about 20 cedis, I'll have to pay 20, or let's say I will pay 50 cedis. If another person is also buying a different product, okay, let's say the product rather is iron, okay, good, doesn't mean that the person is going to pay the same amount. So that's whereby you have to add the class. Okay, but this in this tutorial we are not going there because we are looking at clothing, and we are not supposed to add those things. Okay, so we have that pickup location, and we have also add the rest of the world no shipping method, which means that if the person is outside Ghana, the person will get a red flag that there is no shipping method for his location, so he will stop buying the product, and that is good. Okay, because we don't want people to buy the product and later we realize that we can't ship to that location. So are you going to send the money back to the person? And that is another extra work, so we are not going by that. Okay, good. So right now I think we are done. We have shipping location, free shipping, and then okay, so let's look at the flat rate. Okay, let me come back here, let's see. Okay, so we have free shipping here, and we have done that. We have added the conditions for flat rate. Okay, good. For free shipping. Okay, so right now let's look at flat rate. Okay, flat rate. Okay, so we are going to add another shipping method. Okay, so this is a free shipping. Okay, so here we will add another shipping method. This time we will go by flat rate. So under flat rate means that whatever, it doesn't matter the location of the person. Okay, so once the person wants us to deliver the product to him, then it means that he has to pay that amount, and that will be a flat rate for anyone, no matter the size or the quantity or the cost. Okay, so it means that if you are buying more, you rather benefit from that. Okay, good. So let's go with that. So select the flat rate and continue. Okay, so the flat rate, what are we going to are we going to tax them? I think for shipping we are not supposed to tax them. We are supposed to tax only the product. So let me change that. We will also change the others. So we will charge them 20 cedis. okay, whatever you are, you pay 20 cedis for that. Okay, so great, and we have done that. So let's edit this and remove. Okay, here we don't have so let's go that. Let's go with the pickup location. So pickup location, let's remove the tax, because we are not supposed to tax them. Okay, let me see, it's not here. I think I saw something like that. Okay, good. So here, let's make it 0 now. Okay, good, and save it. So far so good. We have added the pickup location and everything. Good. So all that I want to say for now is thank you for watching. Our next video, we will look at how to do the email settings.